I am Zach with Veurink's RV Center, and I'm going to be going over the Kodiak Cub 179E. So here you have your propane tanks. We do set our units out with the propane full. This right here is your regulator. If you look on this side, you do have a window there. Green means you do have pressure going to it. Red, you do not. So right now, our supply, you got a little arrow here. This is our supply tank. Once that one runs out, flip that over. Now we can run off this tank. And you can go get that one filled. Behind here, you do have your 12-volt deep cycle battery. Storage compartment. 30 amp cable. Crank cam, 3 stabilizer jacks, because you do have stabilizer jacks on all 4 corners. Just fit on like so. And you can bring those down. These are just not for stability, they're not meant to level your camper out. So you don't want to actually lift your camper off the ground. And you are supplied with a hose as well. A quick connect hose. So here is your Atwood water heater. You do have a little plug here to drain your tank at the end of the season. It is gas and electric. All your buttons for that will be on the inside on your monitor panel. City water connection, as well as your fresh water. You do have a freshwater drain down there as well. Down here you do have your black and your gray valve. I always recommend pulling your black tank first. Allow the gray water to be able to rinse out your sewage hose. And then your low point drains will be right off to the left there. You have your 30 amp hookup there, as well as a cable inlet. Spare tire. And you have an outside spray port, which is why I've been bringing this along with me. It'll just be like a quick connect, just like a hose.
You can.
Just like so.
So what I can do is I can give you
You do have a black tank flush on the unit as well. So once you're done emptying your black tank, you'll hook a hose up there, and that'll spray the inside of your black tank to help clean that out. Then we have your furnace vent, as well as your refrigerator vent there. You do have 2 exterior speakers. This will be for your hood vent and a little TV mount. You have a cable outlet here, as well as a GFI outlet here. You are pre-wired for solar panel. So I'll pull out there. Allow you to be able to have a solar panel which will charge up your battery. So now I'll demonstrate the hybrid portion. And lift up on those tabs. This will pull down. So up above here, you have your rod for this. One end will clip on to there. And you just lift up. And it'll lock into place there. You do have a windows on each side, and the rear will actually be a emergency exit. So the cushion for that is located back here. Each one will have its own cushion. So up here you actually have your monitor panel. So your fresh water, your battery, black one, and gray one. You don't have to worry about your black 2 or your gray 2. You only have one of each. So you'll see there, empty, 1/3, 2/3, and full. On the left here, you'll have your water heater for electric, water heater on gas, and your water pump. When you are working your water heater, you do want to have water in there if you're going to run it on electric, because there is a electric heating element in there. Ceiling light here, as well as a porch light, which will be on your awning. You do have your awning button here as well, so let me demonstrate that for you. And over here we do have your cooktop. You will need a lighter to light it. You go ahead and put that on light, hold it down. I recommend using a long lighter, and you can ignite that. Down below here you do have your propane detector. If you do have a propane leak, that will go off. Any aerosol sprays, cleaners, it'll also go off, so be careful with those. Up above me here, you do have your AC unit. So on this side, you'll choose your temperature. On this side, you can determine if you want to use the AC or you just want the fan. Over here, you do have your refrigerator. It is gas and electric. So with that button pushed in, it's on. With this one pushed in, it'll be on automatic. On automatic, it's going to go to electric first. If it doesn't sense electric, it's going to go to propane for you. If you just want to run it on gas, turn that button out. Give it about 20 seconds and that'll light. So over here you do have your stereo. You do have 2 zones for that. Zone 1 and Zone 2. One of them will be outside, one will be inside. It also does Bluetooth. And back here you do have your thermostat, which is just going to work your furnace. So you'll turn that up to your desired temperature. And your furnace is located underneath your fridge here. And in the bathroom, you have a light that automatically comes on, which is really nice. Some hangers. A flush toilet. Up above, you do have your fan. As well as your GFI for your 110. So you do have a carbon monoxide detector as well as a smoke alarm. They're both 9-volt batteries. So you will want to check those maybe a couple times a year. So back here you do have your fuse panel and all your breakers for your 110. In the front of the unit, you do have a dinette that also goes down into a bed. So this right here will fold down. Go on these little tabs here. You can pull these cushions in, drop these ones down, and you'll have another bed.